Magnetic resonance imaging, also known as MRI, is a safe and painless way to image the body using magnetic fields and radio waves. These images are then used to detect a variety of conditions, including problems of the brain, skeleton, chest, and abdomen. The advanced imaging specialists at Florida Hospital Waterman and their Board Certified Radiologists use only the latest diagnostic technology to help their patients. Dr. Marc Siegel, Diagnostic Radiologist at the Center for Medical Imaging, explains MRI technology and how it's used.
MRI examinations are ways of imaging inside the body, looking at different organs. It's actually a large magnet, and it images the water in your body, because for anyone who's taken high school chemistry and still remembers, water is actually magnetized. And there's a positive and a negative pole like any magnet, and that's what we image with MRI exam. There's neuro MRI, which is really looking at the brain or the spinal cord. We have musculoskeletal, which is looking at the bones and the joints. And we have abdominal MRIs, where we look at the abdominal organs, the liver, spleen, kidneys, gallbladder. You can do pelvic MRIs, where we look at the uterus and the ovaries and any other disease processes. We also can do MRA, which is a fancy way of looking at the blood vessels. So rather than having a catheter put it into your body, we can just use an IV injection of the dye that we use for MR, and we can actually make the blood vessels light up while everything else does not light up. The imaging that is performed at CMI is all kept on a centralized computerized system that is tied into Florida Hospital Waterman, as well as the other hospitals in the Florida hospital system. If at some time that you do need to have care at Florida Hospital Waterman, those images are automatically available at the hospital so that specialized care can be given to all the patients of Lake County.
To find out more about Florida Hospital Waterman's advanced imaging technology and board-certified radiologists or the Center for Medical Imaging, please click the MRI Explained story link icon on our homepage, yourhometownhealth.com.